Monsoon season. Tim saves the planet. Timothy Lewis here. This is something that happens naturally. Every summer, we go through like only a few weeks where we have humidity. Temperatures are actually a little lower, but it feels hotter because it's humid. And then we have awesome stuff like this. There's a storm possibly about to come through. Still don't know because it might, if it is anything at all, it could only be like a minute. So I'm just gonna let this on for a minute and see if we have anything happen so you guys can see how quick that they are. But sometimes like it'll pour buckets and it'll only last 5 minutes. That's it. And then 15 minutes after that, it'll be dry everywhere. It's crazy. All these leaves that just blew into the pool after we just cleaned it from this ginormous tree that is directly above my property. That looks, and that's just the part that's over my line. Oh, there's the rainbow again. Positive thoughts, everyone. Positive thoughts. Remember, what you think about, you bring about. That is beautiful. I wish you could see it with my eyes because my camera does not do it justice. But, oh, I love that smell even. I hope we get at least a drizzle. A little drizzle, a rizzle. The wind coming through again. Well, as soon as I turn this off, it's going to start pouring. So, we will see what happens.